Mabuhay and welcome to another unboxing video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Jeep's newest urban lifestyle warrior. Over there, we've got the 2020 Jeep Compass Longitude. And we're gonna see what it's all about. Let's start with the front, and as you can see, it's got that patented Jeep 7-slot grille. You've got halogen headlights, halogen daylight running lights, and halogen fog lights. The only thing that's LED here in the front are these park lights, which are a nice touch, giving it a little more character, a little different from the normal. Over at the side, you can see it's got 17-inch alloy wheels, turn light indicators, that big Compass badge, and there's a nice chrome accent that runs through the top of the doors that goes all the way to the back. Speaking of the back, it's time to show you what it looks like. Over at the back, you've got a roof-mounted antenna, a spoiler with a third brake light, and that line I was talking about earlier that ran through the top of the doors continues over here to the back and carries over onto the right side. That's pretty much it for the back and pretty much it for the outside. Let's go check it out inside. Over the inside is where you can really see that Jeep tried to make the Compass as comfortable as possible. You've got nice seats with this nice pattern, a leather material, some contrasting stitches here and there. You've got a nice soft touch panel. The screen here, actually, I will show you on later that it's actually very responsive and it can connect your phone, either Apple CarPlay or Baidu CarLife. One of the better things about this interior is that you've got a really big panoramic sunroof that starts from here all the way to the second row. And over at the second row, you've got two air conditioning vents that, of course, are welcome in our very hot climate. The last thing I'd like to point out about this interior is that usually, because I'm a pretty tall person, the seats don't usually reach this part of my legs, but in this car it does, and that actually adds a bit more comfort, especially if you're going to be using this car every day in the traffic and everything. And yep, to sum it all up, the Compass, nice interior, very comfortable. Overall, the Compass offers a lot of things to make your daily commute comfortable. But of course, this being a Jeep, just like its smaller brother, the Renegade, it's got some nice Easter eggs attached to it. Remember the Renegade had a Sasquatch/Bigfoot thing in the rear window? Well, here you've got the Loch Ness Monster instead. It doesn't add anything to your drive, but if you're after some sort of uniqueness, then this may be the car for you. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And stay tuned, of course, because our features and test drives editor, Anton Andres, will be taking this out on a full video review. So that should be something to watch. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!